Right, good day and welcome to November 2016 question 3. Now here they say dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first four patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. So pattern 1 looks like that, pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern 4, okay, now pattern 5. So as you can see, dark tiles, there's one dark tile. There's 1, 2, 3 dark tiles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dark tiles, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dark tiles. Look at the light tiles. They're pattern 1, 0. They have one light tile. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 light tiles, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 light tiles. So 3.1. How many dark tiles were used in pattern 5? So if we continue there, you see 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 gives me 5, 5 plus 2 7, so that's 4 patterns. To get the fifth pattern, 7 plus 2 would give me 9. So therefore, we use 9 tiles for pattern 5. Right? 3.2, how many light tiles were used in pattern 6? So if you look there, pattern 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, so 5 times 5 would give me 25. So in pattern 6 we have 25 tiles. 3.3, write down the general term Dn for the number of dark floor tiles used in each pattern. So with the dark tiles there, you can see we have a constant difference of 2. So I can say Dn equal 2n, right? Because of the difference 2, so I multiply n by 2, that gives me 2n. But my first term is 1, so if n is 1, 2 times 1 would give me 2. I want 1, so I have to subtract 1. There, 2 times 2 would give me 4, 4 minus 1 would give me 3. 2 times 3 would give me 6, minus 1 would give me 5, and 2 times 4 would give me 8, 8 minus 1 would give me 7. So therefore my formula is simply Dn equal 2n minus 1, 2 constant difference. So that's 2 times n, but I want 1 for first term, therefore I subtract 1. Right, if we go to 3.4, write down a general term for the number of light floor tiles used in each pattern. So as I said previously, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. So therefore they should be able to say Ln equal n squared. However, n squared, my first term is 0, so I have to have n minus 1. Because 1 minus 1 for term 1, you see pattern 1, if I say 1 minus 1 would then give me 0. So there I have Ln equal n minus 1 all squared. Right? 3.5. Which pattern will have exactly 64 light floor tiles? So now I have to use Ln, that equation. So I would now say Ln is n minus 1 all squared. So n minus 1 all squared equal 64. N times n, n squared. N times minus 1 gives me minus n times 2, which gives me minus 2n. Negative 1 times negative 1 become positive 1. Equals 64. If I take 64 across, 1 minus 64 gives me 63. If I factorize and get to 2, 9 times 7 gives me 63. Negative times positive give me negative. But I have minus 9n plus 7n. See there, minus 9n plus 7n gives me minus 2n. So n equal 9 or n equal minus 7. Take note, n is not allowed to be negative. It's an element of natural numbers. So n equal to 9. And n not equal to negative 7. 3.6. Each dark tile is 0,3 meters wide and 0,6 meter long. Calculate the total area covered by all the dark tiles in the first 100 meters. So area is 0,3 times 0,6. Right? So there, number of dark tiles, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus, going all the way up. If we look at 100 tiles and I substitute it in there, 2 times 100 gives me 200, minus 1 would give me 199. So my 200 pattern would have 199 dark tiles. Alright, so 50 times 200 equal 10,000. I multiply, that is 50 tiles times 200 because increased by 2. So total area covered, alright, 10,000. 0,3 times 0,6, which gives me, that is 0,18 times 10,000 gives me 1,800 square meters. So be very careful. You see there I had to count how many tactiles I have and how many patterns I have, so it's 2 more. So to get to 200 I'm actually dealing with half of that. Alright, hope you follow, hope you understand. All the best, God bless, bye.